Hey everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to change an email in Instagram. So let's begin. First of all, open the Instagram application. Now here on the bottom, click on this profile icon. Here on the right top, select this icon. Select Account Center. Here there's the option of personal details. Select it. You can see the contact info. So here's the option of add new contact. Select it. Select add email here. So here this is the place where you enter a new email. Check this box and tap on next. So this will send a confirmation to the email. So now enter the code that has been sent to the mail and tap on next. So now you have added the email. So this is a quick and easy way to add an email on Instagram. Thank you for watching. I hope it helps you.